In Sao Paulo, a lady lived in an apartment without any windows for almost 10 years. That story triggered Fernando. He decided to devote himself to improving the housing situation for the families living in Sao Paulo's favelas. Fernando became a social entrepreneur. And his mission and desire to scale up his work is now supported by us at IKEA Social Entrepreneurship. We want to make a better everyday life for as many people as possible. And since exclusion and inequality are global challenges, we have partnerships in all parts of the world. We partner with social entrepreneurs who use their business as a way to make everyday life better for those who need it the most. With some of our partners, we collaborate and do business with them to produce unique handmade collections and offer IKEA customers sustainable food items globally. And we both benefit. Our partners gain insights about global product development, and we learn about new handicraft techniques and sustainable food production. But we also support smaller local initiatives where a single IKEA store or IKEA country partner up with social entrepreneurs to make a difference. Together, these global and local partnerships support the creation of jobs and incomes for tens of thousands of people who are far from the labor market. Seeing the impact this has made us want to do more. So today, we back and boost social entrepreneurs whose work is not related to producing IKEA products or services. We partner up IKEA co-workers with social entrepreneurs and share our business knowledge and networks with them. This way, we support them to expand and have a bigger impact. It also gives us the opportunity to learn from them, like how to become a more circular, entrepreneurial, and sustainable business. And we will share our learnings to inspire others, increasing each other's potential to create lasting social change. All this aims to improve vulnerable and marginalized people's capabilities and their means of living. It's about making a positive impact on people and on society.